Just stay around there, baby boy. Do you hear fireworks? You'll be okay, buddy. You will. No, don't run away, no! You want your ice cream? You gotta stay here. You gotta eat your ice cream if you're gonna... Yes, you'll hear noises, buddy. I keep so I'm here for you. We get your teddies out for you. Okay? We'll get your teddies out. They can stop though, because it's not bad for you either. That helps you poop, so you feel better. Is that my buddy? I'm staring at my bubbles. I told you I pay attention to King Tut. We make a 3D movie on you. That's when it starts to get 3D in the movie. We show King Tut. Have you told him?